nighttime still. This is the time. What time it is? That's AM. I probably already knew that. Just cockroaches in that pantry because it's a hang there because food. And that's our pantry, by the way. This is what I want to show you guys. This is my dad's beer. I guys have eaten chili. But not considered as of. Just like farming. We have whatever this is. We have this from Nestle's Nesquik. This is strawberry syrup, or you can mix strawberry chocolate, strawberry milk. We have here this giant old time. I can drink that. I heard it's nasty. Crap. We have this. There's in this bag, there's cheese, you can see. There's the eggs. Kool-Aid that one. Yeah, it's kind of almost gone. The milk. But the ones with the black. And someone didn't put that on right. All the pickles are in there. Oh, it's not glass. I thought that was glass. Alright, ketchup. Let me see. Shit, I don't know if I should throw this away because it's like. I don't know. I'll just throw it away. Sorry. We have that. We have our jelly. Our coffee, something. Coffee. Whoa. Yeah. We have more cheese in this bag. We have cheese. We have whatever that is. It's a baking soda right there. Whatever it's in there. We have a light bulb. Our light bulb won't work with the light off. So I don't really need nothing in here. Okay. And here I'm gonna need light. In the freezer, you don't have to light bulbs. And then here we have some Reese's Buttercup minis. I'm gonna eat one right now. Is that open or? Oh my god, I thought it just ate some like one of these earlier. They were open. Let me clean that lens there. You hear like a mouse there's something moving. We have our chimichangas, steak and cheese. Oh, like all of them. Remember this video, if I ever become famous, this is what I have in my fridge. In my freezer. I'm gonna move that down a little so I can grab this. Or ice packs. That one wasn't really a good show. Ice packs. I'm watching Full House. Slightly off. Yeah, ice. Oh, we have one more of our ice things. That's Dr. Pepper thing. Dr. Pepper flavor. Yeah, I have that. Those are ice trays and then this red one. Star-shaped ice. And regular ice. Oh, I guess that's probably what I want to show you. Yeah. Our Buffalo, our Wingstop magnet. We have the name tags. My name tag. This is my name on it. We have another one, my sister's. We have a 2013 Broncos schedule. Our fridge is Kenmore. Our half broken magnet thing. We can never find the other side. We can never find the other half. That magnet. Still, we have a lot of those magnets. Seymour is on the other side. You can't really see that side, but the bathroom. Baby cockroaches like to hide in the bathtub. Someone forgot to put that though.